This is a safe made by a company called Dudley, and the model is the Dudley. It's got a 3-wheel combination lock, and I've put that back to the manufacturer's setting when it left the factory, which is all on 50. In order to dial it open, turn until 50 lines up with that mark at 12 o'clock, and you need to do that 4 times, and it has to be anti-clockwise. So that's once, twice, 3, and this time we'll stop exactly on 50. 49 is not enough, and 51 is too much. So stop on 50, then reverse direction. Should feel a clunk around about the 5-4 mark, gets a bit harder to turn, and then it comes to a complete stop there at 91. The lock is now open. You can open the door. When you come to lock these locks, always make sure you turn it 3 times to mix all the wheels up again so you're fully secure. And if you have any problems, it's Alan Morgan, Master Locksmiths. Thank you.